Well, so bottomed out today at about 32 degrees. I think it's between 4:30 and 5 now. Maybe around 5. Everybody's out for their feed. We've got another winter weather advisory for tomorrow night into Thursday morning, the commute. Maybe the commute home Wednesday night. Ice, rain, snow, hovering at about the 29 to 32 mark. So they don't know. It's going to be a mixed precipitation, mixed bag. They are drinking their water, which really makes me, I'm really glad. I like to see them drinking their water. It makes me happy. Even though I know the faster they drink it, the more I'm going to have to do it again, but that's okay. We get to this, 4 to 5 week end of the winter, possibly some nicer temps. You start counting the days to when can I take their blankets off again and get a look at them. Anyway. Hi, Poe. They're all loving it, aren't you, baby? Aren't you, baby girl? You loving it? You loving it, Missy? Missy Popo. You guys see her? There's Missy A. They're all loving it. They're very good horses. They are very good horses. I'm really lucky. Huh, baby? You a good girl? When you think about it, you guys all know, sometimes I'm in and out of here in 20 minutes. Just enough time to get a look at them, feed them, clean their stall. I don't have any time to do much more of that, especially when I'm working. So for them to continue to be so loving and accepting of me into their little hay world, it's a cool thing. All right, enjoy, guys.